converted by NASA. If possible, please wear headphones for a better experience. Are you ready? Let's go! This is the Nice Galaxy, also known as NGC 4676, a spiral galaxy located in the direction of the Columbarius constellation, about 290 million light-years from Earth. Essentially, this is the result of the merger of two galaxies in the past, creating a very long tail, resembling an osse's tail, so scientists call it a Nice Galaxy. In the process of data sonification, NASA represented brightness with volume and pitch. Please listen.